Hi, this is Mike Giannicola, and for today I wanted to focus on some discovery play via station work with my older students, probably grades 3 to 6-ish. Change the challenge a little bit for each grade level, but give them some things that we don't normally get to do in class. I wanted to focus on a completely different set of shape grade level outcomes today. Alright, so here's what we're going to focus on this week. Now, the shape grade level outcomes are a guideline to help us do what we need to do best for our situation. They are not the end all be all. However, they are really a good way to focus your curriculum and get in different types of ideas on all three different domains: affective, cognitive, and psychomotor. I'm gonna start with, never tried it before, so I'm gonna use Ross Chakrian's new dances that he's been putting out, and thought we would try it today, project it out, and students will have a choice on which one they want to do. Class majority wins. And when they come in, this will be the message for them. It's a responsive classroom type of morning message. I said Ninja Warriors because I feel like a lot of what we're doing today kind of focuses on different skills like that. At the end of class, just want them to let me know how they felt about the lesson using Plagnets, so I have that information and really informs me as to what to do in the future with them. Alright, we're gonna, at one station, have them using the ice cream scoop cone, so they swipe the ball up on the string and try to catch it in the cup. A lot more challenging than it looks, and I think they'll really enjoy trying this today. Next up, I've had these stored away for a while. I thought I would pull them out and let the kids try some catching, throwing and catching skills off the Rebounders. So now this idea I believe I got from Kevin Tiller. I have some magnetic darts, and it's going to be having them practice tossing at the door. Something they've never done before, something I've never had in class before. I'm very curious to see how this goes today and how well they do with it. I do have some toy archery, some safety goggles, and at their stations they're going to be aiming at, they're just like large poly spots, target design themed poly spots with some cones, really light cones, hold them up. Another thing that we've never really done before, besides maybe once at field day, and wanted to give them the experience of trying it. Over here we have balance boards, and while that's probably going to be too easy for most of them, I wanted to add a juggling challenge with it while they are balancing. They can try 1, 2, or 3, whatever they feel comfortable with. And finally, we have some walking stilts. And of course, the stations can be anything, but I figured this would give them a really good overall experience and discover a lot of different things today that they could take with them in the future on their physical literacy journeys. I don't have the largest gym, so a lot of the stations I choose are kind of laid out in a way where I have to make good use of my space. And then closing it all out, we're going to be walking in a pair share walk and talk discussion with a partner and going over what we've accomplished today, what they've figured out about themselves and what they might like to do, what they might take with them in the future. So many different things that we can discuss. Hopefully it'll end up really being a good experience for them.